You might not have my name, but you have my blood.
And why is my surname Snow? Because you're a bastard from the north.
Kill the boy, Jon Snow, and let the man be born.
The way people in the north talk about you, you're the greatest swordsman who ever walked.
He is the White Wolf, the king in the north.
So I assume, my lord, you're here to bend the knee.
I am not.
I haven't given you permission to leave.
With respect to Grace, I don't need your permission. I am a king. You are my queen. No. Always.
He's never been a bastard. He's the heir to the Iron Throne.
My name, my real name, is Aegon Targaryen.